Hi everyone, in this video I am going to share with you my version of Palak Moong Dal recipe. For this, first of all I am going to pressure cook some moong dal with some salt, hing and turmeric. Next I am going to boil some spinach in water. I am also going to add some salt to it. Now I am going to prepare a puree of the blanched spinach, green chili and ginger in a grinder. For the ingredients I am going to use puree of 1 tomato, palak puree, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, jeera and garam masala powder. For this, first of all I am going to heat some ghee in a kadai and add jeera, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Let the spices fry for a minute. I did not add salt at this point since I already added sufficient salt in the dal. Once the spices have fried, I am going to add in the tomato puree. Mix it well along with the spices. Let the puree cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now as you can see, the masala has started releasing oil from the sides and is perfectly cooked. At this point of time, I am going to add in the palak puree. Mix it well along with the masala. Cook the palak puree along with the masala for a minute. I am not going to cook it for more time since I am using blanched spinach and I don't want to overcook it. Once the spinach is blended well with the masala, I am going to add in the boiled moong dal. Mix everything well. I am going to add in some water to adjust the consistency of dal. Next I am going to add in a teaspoon of garam masala powder and let the dal simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. This palak moong dal is best enjoyed with some hot rice. Lastly, I am going to top it up with some coriander and ghee, and the palak dal is now ready to serve. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to get your apron.